Hi everyone, and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals of me, Japan market analyst at Atlantic Markets on Thursday, 27th of April. Looking at Eurodollar now, and we've just consolidated with this breakout really. Yesterday's reaction low was 108.50, pretty much there or thereabouts, same as the previous session. And then rallied in towards the close, not posting a strong bull candle, but certainly not necessarily a negative, majorly negative candle. Just consolidating this breakout above 108.50, I think, which is this sort of arguably, well, this head and shoulders base pattern. Just consolidating the move above the downtrend, and yeah, holding on to the strong improvement in across the board on the outlook, really, on the momentum indicators, the RSI just at around 70. As I said previously, 70 seems to be limited, or limiting, I should say, on the RSI. On the Eurodollar, look at that. Every time it gets towards 70, it just backs away. That was really that August 2015 really was the only real time that we saw a significant sort of move above 70. That was 75. So you could still see this consolidation continuing. I think little corrector a chance to buy on Eurodollar. This is the hourly chart where you can see this consolidation now in the last few days. Yeah, you had a couple of sort of intraday moves below 108.50, but generally speaking, that has been the basis of support over the last few days, as this consolidation has helped to unwind the momentum. But I think pressure on the 109.50, which is the high over the last 2 days, and then above 109.50 you're looking sort of 110, I suppose, is a psychological level, but then you're sort of looking more into the sort of 110.50, 111 big figure area, which is 111 big figure I sort of took throughout 2016 as a long-term pivot line. I have removed it from this chart, but it is generally speaking a bit of a pivot. 111 figure, bit of a long-term pivot, sort of highs and lows consistently sort of being posted around that 11 big figure. So we could see a move back towards 110, 111 quite easily on Eurodollar. Not necessarily a difficult scenario to see that, especially with this sort of range base pattern breakout. So little corrections I still see on the Eurodollar as a chance to buy. So a lot of volatility I imagine will be seen in the or with the ECB meeting today, but I would suggest that any sort of corrective move is likely to be bought into and used as a buying opportunity. So I wish you good luck in the trade. Thank you.